है. Respiratory cycle of human beings. The respiratory cycle consists of inspiration, breathing in, and expiration, breathing out, and a very short respiratory pause. In normal adults, the breathing rate is 12 to 18 breaths per minute. A newborn breathes 60 times per minute. Slight increase in the carbon dioxide content in blood increases the breathing rate. ये भी एक बात है. Now what is inspiration? It is inhalation. It is the result of increase in the size of the thoracic cavity. बड़ा हो जा रहा है, air से filled up हो रहा है. This increase is due to the combined action of the ribs and diaphragm. Ribs ऐसे हो जाता है, diaphragm ऐसे हो जाता है, so they get us very good space. The ribs move upwards, outwards due to contraction and muscles stretched between them, so enlarging the chest cavity. And diaphragm, which is a sheet, मतलब ribs ऐसा हो गया, and diaphragm, which is a sheet of muscular tissue situated towards the base of the lungs, normally remains arched, ऐसे रहता है, arched upward रहता है like a dome, but now it contracts and flattens, so you get more space. So पहले ऐसे था, now the ribs get arched, the diaphragm gets flattened. And becomes almost horizontal plane. As the diaphragm जैसे ही flattened हो जाता है, it presses the organs inside the abdomen का जो तो जावे को था, it will be like this, so it will press the organs of the abdomen, and with the abdominal muscles तब relaxed हो जाएंगे, and the abdominal wall only moves outwards. Leading to increase in the volume. So this leads to a great increase. Erum cholelo, abdomen relaxed ho galo, and this increases the chest cavity. And there's a decrease of pressure. Now this decreased pressure inside the lungs draws the air inwards from outside. The outside air is at a greater pressure, so it rushes in order to equalize the pressure. This is the process of inspiration.